Alright guys, today when I come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new short sleeve men's button up, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Wow, check that out. Very nice material. Like I said, it is a full button up, short sleeve. But let's go ahead and actually try it on and see how it looks like. This is what it looks like on. As you can see, it's got a wrinkle-free fabric that feels silky smooth and lightweight. It's breathable and soft against the skin, so whether you're wearing it all day, at work, out at an event, you stay comfortable and looking sharp the whole time. It has a classic clean design with a spread collar, full bottom closure, and a chest pocket as well. The solid color gives it a timeless look, and the regular fit is tailored just right. I do have a 2XL. I do like mine a little bigger, but it is true to size. It's flattering without being too tight and works well on most body types. What I really like is how versatile it is. You can wear it tucked in with dress pants for a business or formal look, or keep it untucked with jeans or shorts with something more casual. It's one of those shirts that works with everything: office, weddings, parties, or even just going out for dinner. Plus, it's super easy to take care of. Just machine wash it and it's good to go. All around, it's a solid low maintenance piece that looks polished and feels great. One thing that really stands out is how well the shirt holds its shape throughout the day. Even if you're sitting, moving around, or being out in the heat, it looks crisp without sagging or bunching up. The fabric has just the right amount of structure to keep a clean silhouette. So if you guys are looking for a new short sleeve button up, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.